Hi, my name is Farhad. I'm a founder of Business Mishar. So when I scrolling online to find a pet store and I see your store and that's really looks great. I really love that. But one thing I noticed that website have a couple of problem. We really need to fix this problem. Without fixing this problem, I believe that you cannot increase your conversation rate. So that's why I suggest you to do these changes. So without further ado, let's move into it. What kind of mistake you are making? So when I scrolling and then I see that your banner exactly looks not great and all because there is not great heading and there is not subheading. What about your brand? There is nothing on that, so customer cannot understand what you are providing, and also they don't know that how you can help them. There is nothing have into your website to understand that. So basically we need to set up a banner, something like that. So if I scroll down, something like that, this build trust, and there is a heading and also subheading and also button, so we definitely should do that. So yeah, you can see here don't have nothing. So and also here shouldn't be about your information. Here should be your categorize what kind of product you can sell. This kind of stuff you should keep in the, after the hero sections. You are keeping nothing keeping here, so you will draw that also. So yeah, that's the thing. And if I scroll down, here is no options to buy directly from your product. There is a YouTube, so this is the really not great option. So you will set up something like that. So first of all, you will keep your banner and also you will keep the category, and then this way the category customer, whatever they want to buy, they will click on the category. Suppose they want to buy dog product or dog kind of thing, they will click on that, they will buy the dog product. They need cat, they will click cat. And also here is a filter option: cat, dog, collection, fish, a lot of stuff, birds, a lot of stuff, right? So and also here is a banner about your offer or something like that. And also here a collection, we can definitely do that. And also here is a buying option directly from the homepage. That's a really great option to increase your conversation rate. So we will do that, something like that. So if you want to do this something like this to increase your conversation rate, let me know. I'm really excited to work with you to grow your business. But your website is totally dead. This is no one exactly buy, no one exactly not trust with your business. Otherwise you cannot grow your business. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Let me know which time you are available, and then I will book a call, and then we will grow your business together.